Hello everyone. So this is your third session of chapter 4, data structures. So in the previous session you have studied about the linear search. In this session you are going to study about the binary search. The drawback of linear search is that it takes lot of time to search the location of an element. To overcome that drawback, we are going to use this binary search. So in binary search, the elements should be stored in a sorted order. So it should be stored in the elements are stored in a sorted order, that is in ascending order. It should be in the ascending order. So this is the drawback of binary search. So in this search, the first what it will do, the search starts from the middle element of an array. First it is going to search with the middle element of the array. Search with the middle element of an array. If the search element is not equal to the middle element of the array, then it is going to search the element either to the right side of the array or to the left side of the array. So now let's see how to search the location of an element using binary search. So consider an array containing 10, 25, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Trace the binary search. Trace the binary search algorithm to find the location of an element 30. So this array contains 10, 25, 30, 40, 50 and 60 as its elements. So all the elements are in sorted order. So now let's see how to search the location of an element 30 using binary search. So what is our array? Our array is 10, 25. Our array contains 10, 25, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Variables comparison. Always it starts from 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1. So here first we have to mark the beginning as well as the end of an array. So this is the beginning of the array and this is the end of the array. So the value of B is 0 and the value of end is 5. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the middle element of an array. So how to find the middle element of an array? That is M is equal to B plus E by 2. That is int of B plus E by 2, which is nothing but 0 plus 5 by 2. 0 plus 5 by 2, that is 2.5. So we have to consider 2 itself. We cannot consider 2.5 here. That is A of 2 is the middle element of an array. So now I have to compare the search elements. So what is our search element? Search element is 30. Our search element is 30. So I am comparing it with the middle element. First I have to compare it with middle element. So that is the value is 30. So 30 is equal to 30, hence 30 is found in which location? Location 2. Hence 30 is found in location 2. Understood? First we have to compare the element with the middle element. So if it is found, then we have to print the location of that element. If that element is not found, we have to check the value of the search element which is greater than the middle element or not. If the value of the search element is greater than the middle element, then we have to search the element to the right of the array, or we have to find the element to the left of the array. So here we got the element in location 2, that is with the middle element of an array. So now let's see another method. So the array contains 14, 32, 63, 75 and 98. The search element is 75. Search element is 75. Variables and comparison. Yes. So what is the beginning element of an array? That is 14. The value of B becomes 0. Next, the end of an array is 98. Hence, the value of E is 4. Then what we have to do? We have to find out the middle element of an array. How to find? M is equal to 0 plus 4 by 2, which is nothing but 2. So location 2 is the middle element. Now what we have to do? We have to compare the search element with the middle element. Is 63 is equal to 75? No. So 63 does not equal to 75. Hence what we have to do? We have to check whether the value of search element is greater than the middle element. So 75 is greater than 63. Hence we have to search the element towards the right of an array. Right of an array. So then the beginning becomes m plus 1. See, 63, 75 and 98. End remains same. So this is our end. So as the search element is greater than the middle element value, that is 63, we have to search element to the right side of an array. So the beginning becomes m plus 1. What is middle plus 1 is 3. So this position becomes beginning and this position becomes end of an array. Next I have to find the middle element. So what is the value of B? Beginning element value is 3, end element value is 4, then middle element value is m is equal to 3 plus 4 by 2. What is 3 plus 4 by 2? 7 by 2 is 3.5. So I cannot consider 3.5. I can consider 3 as our middle element. So this is our beginning as well as middle element of an array. Now I am going to compare this 75 with the search element. So what is the value of the search element? The value of the search element is 75 and 75 is equal to 75. Hence the element 75 is found in location which location? In location 3. In location 3. Understood? So if the search element is greater than the middle element, we have to go towards the right side of an array. If the search element value is less than the middle element value, then we have to come towards the left side of an array. Next we are going to trace this array using binary search. 23, 44, 51, 65 and 78. Variables and comparison. A of 2, A of 3 and A of 4. So our search element is 35. Search element is 35. So what we have to do? First we have to mark down the beginning as well as end. So the beginning is 0, end is 4. We have to find out the middle element, right? So how to find the middle element? Beginning plus end by 2. 0 plus 4 by 2 is 2. So our middle element is 2. First what we have to do? The first condition, we have to check the search element with the middle element. So 35 is equal to 51. So 51 does not equal to 35. Hence we have to check whether the search element value is less than or greater than the middle element value. So hence 35 is less than 51. We have to search the element towards the left side of an array. Towards the left side of an array. 23, 44, 51, 65 and 78. So now end becomes what? M minus 1. So m minus This one means 1. So this is our end and this is our beginning. This is our beginning. So the value of B becomes 0, end becomes 1. So what is M? 0 plus 1 by 2. 0 plus 1 by 2, that is 0.5. We have to consider 0 itself. So this is our M. This is our M. So now I have to compare 35 with 23. So 35 does not equal to 23. Hence this element 35 is not found. So 35 is not found. Hence 35 is not found. I hope you people understood how to search the location of an element using binary search algorithm. So first we have to check whether the elements of an array are in sorted order or not. That is in a ascending order. Then what we have to do? We have to mark the beginning as well as end. Then we have to find the middle element of an array. Then we have to compare the search element with the middle element of an array. If it is found, we have to print the location. Otherwise, we have to check whether the value of search element is greater than or less than the middle element. If it is greater than the value of the middle element, we have to search element towards the right of the array, or else we have to search towards the left side of the middle element of an array. Thank you.